I think that's funny.
But
That's what he chose to get you.
yeah.
What are you checking out? Face. I'm recording our feet walking.
Oh, are ya?
Because that's so super cool.
Oh, I totally lied. What's right here? Oh.
That's an oil spot.
I love this necklace.
I love my necklace. Let me look at your necklace. That's really pretty. Look at mine.
Whoa, I'm not even on the road.
Let's keep it together, Chantal. I got a couple
Oh,
miles
here.
left.
Oh, is this it? Skid mark.
There's Chantal's fucking heart hole.
No, it's up here.
No, dude, that's it.
Yeah, right. Why did it look like a heart earlier? Oh my god, it's heavy.
No.
What the fuck? It's up here then.
No, it didn't look like a heart earlier, and it still doesn't.
What the hell? Why didn't you tell me?
Look, there's another one.
Shut your camera off. Let's be all anonymous.